Imagine if a simple kitchen ingredient could help balance blood sugar, support a healthy heart, and keep your arteries clean. You might be surprised to learn that the humble onion holds incredible natural power. Today on Health Alchemy, we will explore an onion recipe that science suggests can fight diabetes, clear arteries, and protect your heart naturally. Stay with us until the end to learn the exact recipe and how to use it. Onions are more than just a flavor enhancer. They are packed with compounds like quercetin and sulfur that play a major role in improving health. Research has shown that onions can help reduce blood sugar levels by supporting insulin sensitivity. This makes them especially powerful for those managing diabetes or at risk of developing it. But the benefits do not stop there. Onions are also known to protect the heart. Studies suggest that their natural antioxidants can reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and help prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. This means your heart stays stronger and your arteries remain cleaner over time. Now, let's move to the recipe itself. It is simple, natural, and easy to prepare at home. Here is what you need: 2 medium red onions, 1 tablespoon of raw hone, 1 cup of warm water. Start by peeling the onions and cutting them into small pieces. Place them in a blender with the cup of warm water. Blend until smooth. Once blended, strain the mixture into a glass to remove the fibers. Now, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and stir well. This drink combines the powerful compounds of onions with the natural antibacterial and soothing properties of honey. Taken in moderation, it can support blood sugar balance and heart health. How should you use it? Drink half a glass in the morning on an empty stomach and the remaining half before bedtime. You can repeat this for a few days each week. Consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. A quick note: while onions and honey can support health, they are not a replacement for medical treatment. If you are living with diabetes or heart disease, always consult your doctor before making changes to your routine. Natural remedies are most effective when combined with a balanced diet, exercise, and professional medical guidance. In addition to this recipe, remember that onions can be added to your daily meals. Raw onion in salads, lightly cooked onion in soups, or even onion tea can provide similar health benefits. The more regularly you include them, the more your body benefits from their protective compounds. So now you know the natural power of onions for fighting diabetes, clearing arteries, and protecting your heart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this knowledge. And if you are new here, subscribe to Health Alchemy for more simple yet powerful health tips backed by science and tradition. Together, we can make small changes that lead to a healthier and longer life.